All right, welcome to the stream. So today we're going to tackle kind of finishing up the major part of merging companies together. So we're going to tackle a few of the problems that we kind of left off with. I think we have a good structure in place, so we're going to kind of move forward with that. I will kind of say to get started off with that my kids were wonderful enough to share their cold with me, so I hope that I don't cough in your face too much. But hey, at least it's over the internet. So, all right, let's see. So where we left off, it's kind of here. So I was poking around with this just slightly. So we're looking to be able to merge in the different logos. So when I got here, this is where I kind of started feeling a little bit icky about some of the architecture. So I actually want to grab this part here. And actually what I want to do is switch the architecture slightly. So in here, we were normally calling merge all. What I actually want to do is break this out and go describe merge logo. All right. So in here, we're going to break that out. So now when the merge all, that'll be in there. And these are going to be public, and that's because we're actually going to want to be able to testing them a little bit more. All right. So let's start off with this. All right. So if there is all right. So if there isn't one, so c1.logo.purge. So there's no logo on C1. C2 does have a logo, and I'm just grabbing one. We're going to merge all. And then in here, we should expect c1.logo to be attached. Let's see how this goes. Ooh, nice. C1 does not exist, and that's because it's not in here. All right, let's bring that down. Actually, yeah, let's bring that there for now. All right. And we got false because it's not attached. Okay. And merge logo isn't even being called. So actually, let's fix that. So merge logo. So now it should actually give us the correct error that we were expecting. So undefined method merge logo. All right, and what we're going to want to do is C1 dot all right, so we want to do, actually let me check. I think we should just be able to reassign the record. So I think we could just do c2.logo.record equals C1. Let's see if this works. Let's take a good guess. And from.logo.record equals into. And I think we probably need to do a c1.reload. And it will help if I do it in the right spot. I'll usually throw the inspect on it to see what's happening. So it starts off as being yeah. Let's inspect this. And then after that, I'll jump into the actual documentation. So C1 is company 1. So from C1 into C2. From is company 1. Into is company 2. And from.logo.record inspect. This is going from company 1 to company 1. Why does that not change things? From that logo.record equals into So I'm going to take a look and see real quick what the structure is. Because with active storage, I should be able to. You've got record type and record ID. Yep. Oh, it helps if I save it. Duh. Huh. That logo update. And if I do into.logo.inspect, what does that give me? Active storage, move attachment to different record. So this is changing the, how to copy all. So with this, they're actually copying it over. That's not what I want to do. So it's weird. I should just be able to change from .logo. All right. From that logo dot inspect is connected to company 1. From that logo dot inspect is 2. False, true, false, true. Why are you? Add to storage, move attachment to different instance. I don't know. So it shouldn't be changing the blob itself. It should be the attachment. All right. Attach, purge later, attach, update. Drag to upload. So this is the active storage attachments. Okay. So let me look at has one attached avatar with all right, this is the active storage attached or equals array, active storage attached name has one name. If attachable.nil, then it deletes the one. If attachable is not nil, it creates one to it. So can I just do into dot logo equals from dot logo? Let me load the console here and just poke at it a little bit easier. What I've set up, here's one at example.com. People 28. Let's go to companies. Company 30. C.logo. C.logo. Gives me that. C.logo.record. C.logo.class is what? It says attached one. So that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for C.logo. Attachable. What is logo.at? Then why are you giving me that as a suggestion? Attachment. There we go. So if we go into here, we can go from.logo.attachment.record equals from, and we're going to want to update that. Update. All right, from, is it attached? True. Sorry, we're going to get the from, the logo attachment. Yeah, that's why it's from logo attachment into. And we'll move the logo if there isn't one. C2. I need to change that. Okay, so we attached into the from, and now we reload. From is attached, it's false. Into is attached, it's true. That looks good. And C2.reload to merge it, and C2.logo should now be attached. All right, that took a little more effort than it should have, but anyways, okay. It'll move the logo if there is one. Great. It will not move the logo if there isn't one. So C1 dot purge. Merge. So this should just not give us any errors or anything. Which right now I think it will. update for nil, right? So here we're just going to do a return if from dot logo dot attached. Great. And it will not move the logo if there is one on the destination. So in here, we're going to do attaching C1 is going to have from .png. C2, we're going to upload into .png. We're going to merge them, and then we expect actually, let me do a quick check. If I don't reload, does this still pass? No. All right. C2.reload. And we would expect this to stay as into.png. But this is not giving us an error because it means that there's not doing. It's basically doing a has many. So we actually have in here, if we were to do puts active storage attachment all on inspect. I'm betting this is going to give us so it's giving us the logo for the one company and logo for a second company. But this is on record 133 and record 133. So we have a has many. We've basically forced this into a has many situation. So it is stepping on it. So this just happens to pass. It's not actually passing properly. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know, active storage dot expect active storage attachments where record is c2 dot count dot 2 equal 1. That should yell at us. Boom, got 2. All right. So this in here, we're going to say return if from dot logo, into dot logo dot attached. Good. All right. So there we have it. So this here is going to be a little more complicated because we are hitting on a few things. But what this is letting us do now is we can merge in the logo. So that's good. And yeah, I think that's what we'll call it quits for today. All right. And I'll see you next time.